Halo guys, selamat pagi. Jadi sekarang masih jam 7 kurang 15 menit dan kita mau sarapan. Ayo. Halo guys, jadi sekarang aku lagi sarapan sama Mas Pascal lagi di sana. Yuk kita jelajah aja buffetnya seperti apa? Langsung aja. Jadi mulai sini. Ini ada yogurt sama jelly. Terus ada sereal. Jadi madu. Ada ini gluten free kayak masalah. Jadi ya guys. Terus di sini ada croissant, paun sokola, sama vanilla sauce pudding. Guys, kalau ini bread, ada mesin kopi, di sini cold dishes, salad, baik lagi ya. Ada buah-buahan, ada Japanese sushi, maki juga, detox juice, detox water, ada cheese, ini ada bubur plain porridge sama kondimennya ada di sini. Ini hot stand, ada bacon, potatoes, kondimen ada di sini. Ini juga lengkap. Ini ada patata ya, prata. Ini kayak Indian corner, sama ini ada lumpia spring roll sama stir fried kailan. Itu dia guys. Ceritanya kita udah selesai makan dan sekarang mau kembali ke kamar. Kita mau siap-siap, kita kayaknya mau berenang deh. Ayo.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. 'Cause you're in my space and now I'm so.
Guys, jadi sekarang ini kita berada di kolam renang. Kita mau berenang.
To be my everything. let you touch me, won't let you go to my head, 'cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into in this gamble. Pull me towards you, and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything, 'cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
Guys, jadi sekarang kita berada di stasiun Tanjung Pagar dan kita mau ke Raffles Place. Kita mau jalan-jalan ke sana. Ayo. Terus tadi aksesnya tuh gampang banget. Dari hotel itu ada akses buat langsung ke stasiun.
Pushing the past again, no. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love. It never was like this before.
Guys, kali ini kita berada di Marina Bay. Itu dia Marina Bay Sands. Marina Bay. Sands Bay apa Bay Sands sih? BS. Terus kita mau ke Merlion Park. Langsung aja. Ayo.
You know we're only pretending, we're only weak.
Nah, jadi sekarang ini aku berada di Merlion Park.
Why can't we face it? Keep on paper.
Ini juga di sini ramai banget guys untuk orang foto-foto yang model gaya-gaya mangap, gaya-gaya. Jadi lengkap banget. Ini seru banget. Ini kan lagi pose-pose semua.
We're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love. Growing out of love. Growing out of love. Why can't we face it? We keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. We keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love. Why can't we face it?
Guys, berhubung di luar tuh hujan deras banget. Jadi kita nggak jadi jalan-jalan. Kita mau pulang ke hotel. Capek, istirahat.